In academic settings, words are the essential building blocks of knowledge. Vocabulary within these fields generally falls into two categories: common core words, which are used across all general academic discourse, and register, which refers to sets of words specific to a particular professional domain. To succeed in your studies, it is important to master both the general academic language and the technical terms unique to your field. While this introduction provides an overview of several disciplines, remember that true mastery comes from extensive and consistent reading within your area of interest. In psychology, for instance, texts often bridge general scientific language with specialized terminology focused on research methodology, such as hypotheses and comparative studies, genetic and environmental factors like heredity, and testing analysis involving variables and data interpretation. Moving to the legal field, you will encounter a distinct register that combines formal general vocabulary with highly technical terms. This includes terminology related to criminal and civil law, such as manslaughter or conspiracy, the nuances of judicial processes like arbitration and extradition, and concepts regarding legal rights and status, such as immunity and probation. The medical and paramedical fields offer a different challenge, blending common core terms understood by the general public, like surgery or patient, with highly technical nomenclature. This includes specific medical agents like anesthetics and the precise methods used to administer them, such as intravenous injection or inhalation. Finally, educational discourse focuses on the structure, policy, and implementation of learning. You will often encounter vocabulary related to educational levels, institutional components like curriculum and infrastructure, and policy terminology concerning initiatives and administrative authority. By engaging with the vocabulary of these diverse fields, you build the linguistic versatility required for academic excellence. Use this unit as a starting point and continue to read widely in your chosen field. To master the vocabulary, you need to excel in your studies. If you are watching this course from YouTube or other platform, make sure to sign up on coursexquiz.com to take this unit quiz and track your progress. Enrollment is completely free.